Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and XRP. Just going to do a quick update on both of them basically, and basically go over what I said in yesterday's video and see how we've basically progressed today with these two coins. So let's just get straight into it. Yeah, so I'm wearing a gym top. I'm going to be going back to the gym tonight for the first time in a very long time. It's been a while. But I'm trying to perk myself up. Obviously I look tired, but it's been a long day at work, and I'm obviously doing this now, and I'm going to go to the gym. So yeah, it's, I'm on the grind at the moment, but I'm on this rain drink, so hopefully it perks me up. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Basically, with Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart, we have just ticked bearish on the 45-minute, and I have just seen basically we are in a bearish flag pattern on the 45-minute chart. So let me just give you the short-term prediction of what's going to happen. If we do break towards the downside, which we could potentially do fairly soon, it will just be quite a short fall towards the downside. So let's have a little look here. So yeah, so if we break to the downside of this bearish flag pattern, then we should be retesting this support level down here of about $31,100. Hopefully we should do what we did back here and basically just bounce back off of it. Bitcoin's looking okay at the moment, and obviously on the daily we're looking okay as well, but we need to basically keep pumping towards the upside, and we need to tick bullish on the MACD on the daily chart. Once we do that, sky's the limit. I reckon we'll probably be going to about $40,500. I think short term, we are predicting around $33,500, but I will show you why I say that. But basically, yeah, short term, if we break to the downside of this bearish flag pattern on the 45-minute chart, then we should be retesting this support level here of $31,100. If we do break towards the upside, then the upside potential will probably be about the same sort of candle size. So we should be breaking towards the upside and sort of retesting these levels up here like we did back here of about $32,300. It's basically coming up to retest this support, this resistance level up here of about $32,400. So this is in the short term, obviously on the 45-minute chart. We are obviously looking a bit bearish on the 45 minutes, so I probably would. We might just trade sideways. We might come down and bounce back off of here like we have back here, and just trade sideways until we get some bullish movement and head towards the upside. Let's move towards the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, obviously still in the bearish flag pattern, still looking a bit bearish. So same again. Basically, the drop would be a bit bigger on the 1 hourly chart. So if we move it down here, then we should be basically retesting this support, this support level here of about $31,100 and potentially breaking through to around $30,900. I shouldn't think that we should break that far down. I would hope that we don't break that far down. It's been a while since we've had a pump, so it's quite nice to see Bitcoin actually going up for once. So I'm hoping that we're just sort of consolidating at the moment and sort of retesting this sort of support level here to confirm the support level, and then we could basically continue towards the upside and break out of this sort of bigger bullish flag pattern that we're in basically. So let's head towards the 1 hourly. No, we are in the 1 hourly. Let's head towards the 4 hourly chart. So as you can see here, so we are in a bigger sort of, so once we get to the bigger time frames, we're in a bigger bullish flag pattern. So in most of the time frames, we're in a big bullish flag pattern. So on the 4 hourly chart, this is the bullish flag. So from this point here to this point here. So if we obviously break towards the downside potential would be basically that we'll be coming down to retest this sort of support level here, and we probably would break through this support level here. So let me just show you. So basically it would be this red candle here, because we are in a, at the moment on the 4 hourly, we're in a bullish flag pattern, but in this bullish flag pattern we are starting to form a bearish flag pattern. So if we break towards the downside, it would be this candle here, which we just need to make a bit bigger. So yeah, if we do break towards the downside from this bearish flag pattern here within the bullish flag pattern, quite a lot to say, but we should be breaking towards the downside, retesting this support level here of $31,100, and we should be breaking down to around 30,700, and then I should think after that we should be retesting this support level here of 30,000, around $30,500. We'll basically be retesting this support. If we obviously break towards the upside, we should be seeing a nice pump towards the upside here. So if we break out of here, then we should be coming out and then breaking out a bit further. So the sort of potential would be about $35,300, because it's quite bullish in a way. If we break out of this bearish flag pattern within the bullish flag pattern, then we should be breaking towards the upside. So this is obviously the short-term breakout, but once we break, so the short-term breakout would be testing around $33,600, and then obviously the once you break out of the bigger bullish flag pattern here, we should be breaking out and retesting this resistance of 33,700, and then retesting 34,800, and then basically getting to around, roughly to around 35,300. I posted that on Twitter as well, saying that on the daily we are in a bullish flag pattern, or starting to form one. So if we do break towards the upside, we should see some quite big upside potential, and some more volume really. We have already ticked bearish a little bit on the 4-hour chart on the RSI. We're looking fine on the MACD. Obviously we're losing some volume as well, which isn't really great, but let's head towards the daily. So on the daily, we are in this bullish flag pattern here. I'm going to try and clear up my charts, because obviously my charts are all over the place at the moment. There's so many patterns on here. I need to clear it and just see what we can do, and just make it a bit clearer for you guys really to see what I'm actually looking at. So let's just get rid of this. So basically this here is the, let's move this obviously to one side as well, because we don't need that. So this is the bullish flag pattern on the daily. We are looking fine on the MACD. We need to tick bullish down here. Once we tick bullish down here on the MACD, we are going up to about $40,500, maybe even more, but that's just my sort of prediction at the moment. I'm not being too, I can't think of the word, but I'm just, yeah, I'm trying to give a realistic sort of prediction at this moment in time. Obviously we've been trading sideways for a very long time, so I shouldn't think that we should be going much higher than that in this short period of time basically. But we are literally about to tick bullish down here on the MACD, and we're looking fine on the RSI. So we are in this bullish flag pattern. Once we break out this bullish flag pattern, we should be getting a nice big green candle like this here, and we should be coming up, breaking through these two resistances here, or trying to at least, and then getting to around this point here, which is about $35,300, which is what I posted on my Twitter. I basically just like pre-warned everyone, thinking that obviously once we do break up here, then we should be breaking towards the upside really of the $35,300, because obviously we won't be doing that until we tick bullish on the 4-hour and break out of this bearish flag pattern within the bullish flag pattern and heading towards the upside. As soon as we broke out of this, then the daily should be looking fine, and then we should be breaking towards the upside. Let's head very quickly over to XRP. XRP is the same sort of thing. This is the 45-minute chart, so we're basically in a bullish flag pattern at the moment, and we are heading towards the upside. We've obviously broken back through this resistance level of 41 cents, so it's now a support level. So we are currently trying to come up to retest this level here of about 42.5 cents. So that's currently what we're doing at the moment. So we're basically in like a small ascending wedge coming up here to basically retest this resistance level here of 42.5 cents. This is the short term for the for XRP. So this is the short term prediction. So basically, if we broke out of this bullish flag pattern on the 45-minute, we should be coming up to retest the resistance level of basically 44 cents and coming up to around, yeah, just over 44 cents. So this is on the 45-minute chart. If we head over to the 1-hour chart, same sort of thing, upside potential, same sort of thing, but it might be a bit smaller because obviously it might be one of these green candles here, but usually it would be, because if we go to the 4-hour chart, these two candles here plus a couple would be would be one big green candle, which is where you would see in a minute, which is the bullish flag pattern. I will show you in just a second, but obviously, yeah, we are in this ascending wedge here. Obviously, it looks a little bit different on the 1 hourly, but we are in a ascending wedge, and once we break out of this, which will mean that we'll be breaking out the top of this bullish flag pattern, and we should be coming up basically to retest the 44% level. We are looking fine on the RSI. We are about to tick bullish on the MACD as well, so I would expect that we should be continuing to go towards the upside, and hopefully by this evening, or basically if we close above this support level here of 42 cents, then we should be that should be confirmation really that we're going to head towards the upside. So I should think by tonight or by tomorrow we should be breaking through this resistance here and the bullish flag pattern. If we head towards a 4 hourly chart, like I said, so this is the one big green candle that I was talking about, which is the flagpole, and this is the flag. So you basically the bottom of the candles here, well, the wicks, and the top of the wicks here, this is where you would put your flag pattern. So if you break towards the upside, then you can sort of predict what's going to happen. So this here, if we break towards the upside, then we should be obviously coming up to retest about 44.5 cents on the 4 hourly chart. We are looking fine on the RSI. We're looking fine on the MACD. Let me just delete this. And the volume, not looking too bad, but I'd like to see some more volume coming in. But we are moving towards the upside. So I do think that by tonight or by tomorrow, we should be retesting this resistance level here and potentially breaking through, and then obviously coming up to retest the 44.5 cents on XRP. If we break towards the downside, then we'll probably be coming down basically to retest this local support level here of 39 cents, potentially breaking through to around. So this is about 39, just over 39.5 cents, and then we might wick down to about 39 cents. But I think the upside potential is way more likely at this moment in time. So by tonight or by tomorrow morning, Bitcoin and XRP should be pumping towards the upside, which would be quite nice. So yeah, that's the short-term prediction at the moment. If we go to the daily, same thing. We are in a bullish flag pattern here. So if we obviously broke to the upside here, then we would be, if we broke to the upside on the daily bullish flag pattern, then we should be coming up to retest 45.5 cents. So that would be very nice. But we need to keep an eye on this MACD down here. So as soon as we tick bullish on the MACD, that's when we should potentially be breaking out of this bullish flag pattern, and then we should be seeing those levels up here of 45.5 cents. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys. Well, I got another few subscribers today. I've probably got like another 3. Small amount of subscribers, but every subscriber counts, and I appreciate every one of you. But the target at the moment is 50. I'm not going big. I'm just going short-term goals at the moment for 50 subscribers, and we're just going to take it slow and steady. But yeah, like I said, I posted on Twitter today just saying, I posted a couple of times saying what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. But just if you want to see what's happening with Bitcoin, I post every night, and I just give a very quick, well, not quick, there are at least 15-minute long videos of Bitcoin and XRP, quite an in-depth sort of basically an in-depth review on what's happening with both of these coins, and I've been right most of the time. You can go back on my videos and check on the charts if you want, and check the dates and see when I said it and what happened. But yeah, anyway guys, check my previous videos out, see what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell notification on, because as soon as I put this video out, usually it's in the evening time, and it's before something potentially big's going to happen. So don't miss out. Make sure you don't miss out. And I will post another video for tomorrow for you guys. But the more subscribers I get, the more videos that I'll start posting. I'll try and post two a day once I get to probably over 100 and something subscribers. Let's say over 300 subscribers, I'll post 2 a day. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a nice rest of the evening or rest of the day, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.